Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. I want you to close your eyes for a second and picture Poland. What do you see? Maybe you see the historic streets of Krakow, the vibrant energy of Warsaw, or the stunning natural beauty of the Tatras Mountains. But what if I told you there's another image you should be seeing? The future. A future where Poland is not just a beautiful country with a rich past, but a modern industrial heart of Europe. Over the last few years, major companies from around the world have been making a strategic move. They're choosing Poland for their production, their tech, and their innovation hubs. And today, we're going to dive into the why. So stick with us, because what we found might just surprise you. And while you're at it, hit that like button to help us reach more people with this story. For decades, the global business model was all about just-in-time delivery, relying on complex supply chains that stretched across the globe, especially to Asia. Then the world changed. The pandemic hit, and suddenly, those long supply chains looked a lot more like a liability. Companies realized they needed a new strategy, a just-in-case approach. They started looking for partners who were not only geographically closer, but also politically stable and aligned with their values. This is where Poland's story really begins to shine. With its Central European location and a stable economy, Poland became a top contender for this new wave of nearshoring. In fact, it's ranked third in Europe for this trend, showing that this isn't just a coincidence, it's a calculated strategic shift. But it's not just about a simple shift, it's also about what Poland offers that other countries don't. One of the first things that attracts investors is Poland's incredible workforce. You might hear about lower labor costs compared to places like Germany, where an hourly wage can be more than double the cost in Poland. But that's only half the story. This isn't about cheap labor. It's about smart, highly skilled talent at a competitive price. Poland ranks 9th in Europe for workforce skills and qualifications, and it's a leader in the number of graduates in natural sciences and technology. You have over 400 universities, including 18 technical universities, producing a massive pool of engineers, programmers, and specialists. So when companies like Mercedes-Benz decided to move their e-Sprinter production from Germany to Poland, they weren't just saving money, they were tapping into a deep, scalable talent pool. It's a testament to the idea that you can get both quality and value. If you're enjoying this deep dive, please consider subscribing to The Poland so you don't miss our future videos. It helps us a lot. Beyond the talent, Poland's location is a game changer. Think of it as the perfect logistical crossroads. It's a gateway to key markets in Germany, France, Scandinavia, and Eastern Europe, and the country has invested billions in building up its infrastructure. You have projects like the Central Railway Line and modernized rail networks, all supported by EU funding. And it's not just transit. Poland is becoming a logistics hub in its own right. Just look at the Central European Logistics Hub in Łódź. It's a massive business cluster that has attracted major players like Media Expert and BSH. This kind of infrastructure makes it easy for companies to shorten their supply chains and manage risk, especially after the disruptions we've all seen recently. It's a powerful combination of geography and foresight that few other countries can match. Of course, the government plays a huge role in all of this. Poland has a number of pro-business policies that make it very attractive to foreign investors. The most notable is the Polish Investment Zone, which offers a powerful incentive. Income tax relief of up to 70% on eligible costs for up to 15 years. Think about that. You can get a massive tax break just for investing in the country, and the process is designed to be much simpler than past systems. This is a huge benefit, not just for the foreign giants, but for local businesses too. In 2024, a majority of these aid decisions went to Polish small and medium-sized businesses, helping to create a strong local ecosystem of suppliers that can support the big international players. It creates a virtuous cycle of investment, growth, and stability. But it's not a perfect story, and that's important to talk about. The global economy is still unpredictable. Take the case of Intel. The company announced a massive $4.6 billion project to build a semiconductor factory near Wrocław. A huge deal that would have been a game changer for the country. The project had everything going for it: strong government support, a perfect location, and alignment with the EU's strategic goals. Yet in mid-2025, Intel cancelled the plans. The reason? A corporate decision driven by lower than expected global demand and a need to cut costs. This shows us that while Poland can provide the ideal environment, it can't control the global forces that affect these decisions. It's a reminder that even the best laid plans can change. So, where does that leave us? Poland is a country in the middle of a major transformation. It's leveraging its economic strength, its incredible location, its skilled workforce, and smart government policies to become a major player in the global economy. The future of investment here is not just in traditional manufacturing, but in new, high-value sectors like electromobility and defense. The country is also becoming a hub for business services, with companies like Maersk establishing service centers in major cities. It's a very exciting time. As we wrap up, let me know in the comments, what's one thing you found most surprising about Poland's economic rise? We love hearing your thoughts, and it helps shape our next video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. You can also find more information about our sources in the description below.